And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take the opportunity to invite past President of the Ahmedabad Management Association and Chairman of the Indo-Japanese Economic Cooperation Council of the Indo-Japan Friendship Association. It's a happy coincidence that he is also, through the KHS Machinery India Private Limited, of which he is the Chairman and Managing Director, the patron supporter for setting up the Kaizen Academy. Yatindra Bhai Sharma, may I now invite you to please give your greetings on this occasion.
Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, ladies and gentlemen, on this memorable occasion of inauguration of Jain Garden in name of Srimati Padmaben Jaikrishna and KHS Kaizen Academy, on behalf of myself and my CEO, Mr. Kai Akar of KHS GmbH, we convey our very warm greetings for this occasion. Having such kind of creation at AMA has been a cherished dream of AMA as well as Indo-Japan Friendship Association. And we are really happy to see that this dream is coming true today. We are really fortunate to have such a dynamic leader to lead our nation. It is always said that with his dynamism, vision, and clarity of ideas, he can make things happen. What we say, Modi hai to mumkin hai. While talking about at Indo-Japan Friendship Association and in aspect of economic affairs and economic cooperation with Japan, we have a very long-standing relationship with the state of Hyogo under dynamic leadership of Mr. Toshizo Ido, who had been gracious enough to create such business-to-business contact between Hyogo as well as Gujarat. We had business conclave and a lot of people from industry of Gujarat as well as industry captains of Japan participated in this business conclave. We also had Japanese companies based in India where their CEOs participated this particular event, which was a huge success. At Kaizen Academy, we look forward to provide knowledge and training of best practices of Kaizen. I believe that Kaizen is just not limited to industry, but it is also involved with human life. Zen is the kind of integration of divine elements of nature resulting into beauty and perfection. We wanted to have this Jain garden, but then Jain has to transform to Kaizen, and that is where the human activity will result into excellence. This Kaizen Academy will bring in that kind of quality of knowledge, quality of, what we can say, the practices which can be implemented in the industries of Gujarat. We want to engage with this activity not only in terms of contribution, whatever we have given today, but we would like to engage ourselves further to make this project extremely successful, useful, as well as nationwide. It has to become a point of inspiration. Our aspirations are definitely looking forward for amazing achievements. So in all, I can say that together we will win. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Yatindra Bhai. We are so enthused and cheered by your encouraging words that you will continue to grant your patronage and support for the upliftment of the Kaizen Academy and expansion of its activities over the period of time, which is indeed the need of the hour. 2016 to 2018 were 3 years of a golden era in terms of diplomatic relations between Japan and India, and more particularly Japan and Gujarat, when we had the great privilege